What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress Themes, and in today's video you're gonna learn how to change the system language on your Windows computer, okay? So it's a tutorial for the Windows 11, but it works for Windows 10 as well, no need to worry. So let's get it started. The very first thing, you can go to the Windows keyboard right here and type language or use the shortcut that is the Windows button plus I. Okay, on your keyboard, Windows plus I. After this, we have a couple of options right here. Okay, it opens the system, and into this left sidebar of menus, we can go to time and language. Okay, right here we have a couple of settings, for example, data and time, language and region, typing and speech. We're gonna be focusing on language and region. Okay, this is the one that's gonna change is the language of this. So click on it, and by default my system language it's set as Windows, as English from United States. I already have installed another language pack for Portuguese Brazil, and I can drag and drop this to the top, and after this change right here. But I would like to make this as, for example, something like Mexican Spanish. Okay, and how to do this? We're gonna need to click into this add language button, and we're gonna need to type the language that I would like to apply. In my case, it's gonna be Spanish. Okay, let me find the Spanish from Mexico right here. As we can see, we have all of the language packs into this. We have the display language, the text to speech, the speech recognition, and the handwriting. Okay, so click on it in the case that this is the language that you want, and click on next. Right here we're gonna be able to install the fields that you would like. For example, the language pack, that is you need to be installed, the text to speech, the speech recognition, and the handwriting. And of course you can set this to your default display language. So as soon as you restart your computer, you log in onto your Windows account, you're gonna see the system into this language if you set this option or not. I will not set this, but it's good to know. Okay, click on install. Please wait while the language finish installing. This could take a few minutes. Okay, it takes a minute because you need to connect with the Windows, you need to check things, for example, extra programs. Okay, nothing to worry. As soon as you install this, just like I did install the Portuguese Brazil, you're gonna be able to select the language pack right here. After installing the language, I will not cut the video so you can see the process and how does it work, but we can go to region, and right here you can choose the region that you are located. Okay, in my case I'm on Brazil, but you can change according to the place that you are in the planet, and this is gonna help Windows to understand you. Okay, the regional format. Okay, for example, the format of the language, I always recommend that you choose the recommended one. Okay, no need to change each one, it may be time consuming. After this, the related settings, you have the typing, okay, for your keyboard, and the administrative language settings. Okay, they're gonna be in your admin language. Now we are initializing the installation process. Now we are downloading the Spanish from Mexico language. Okay, as you can see, the whole process may take 2 or 3 minutes. Now we are installing the Spanish language pack. Now the language is already installed. Okay, you are up to this side, so into the very first option, Windows display language, you can choose from Portuguese, Spanish. Let's choose Spanish, And as soon as you do that, Windows gonna ask you to sign out and sign in once again. I will not do this because you would cut the video recording, but as soon as you do this, you're gonna be able to see the system language into the language that you choose, okay? Simple, easy, and effective. Moreover, remember to change the country or region in the case that you would like that. The typing, we have the keyboard types, okay? So as soon as you do this, you're gonna be able to see next to your timer options to choose the keyboard way that you want. Nothing to worry much about it, so just click on it to the preferred way of typing for you. And to finish with, there are some persons who see errors, you see issues while trying to change the language on their computer, on their Windows computer. And to fix it, all you have to do is go to this site, okay, the Historial, okay, and download their free software, okay. They have a system solution for fixing the Windows issues, and most of them related to language change problems are related to some small files missing on Windows installation, and this restoration package can fix it for you in a simple way, okay? But this is just a simple recommendation of a free program. No need to purchase the pro version, okay? But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below, and don't forget to check out the visualmodo.com. We have amazing WordPress themes, pre-built websites that you can import with a single click, premium icons, design options, and elements in order to create your amazing website, landing page, or sales page. And in the case that you like the free options and are using WordPress, you can go to your WordPress dashboard, plugins, add new, and search for borderless WordPress plugin in order to gain widgets, elements, templates, and tools in order to build an amazing website. Moreover, in the case that you are in need of a free WordPress theme with premium features, go to our WordPress dashboard, appearance, themes, add new, and search for Enzo WordPress theme. It's our brand new free WordPress theme that gonna gives you amazing options, a SEO friendly code, a mobile friendly code, and many more options. And it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best.